Hey everyone, thanks for joining me again. And if you're new here, welcome. I do all sorts of unboxings and all sorts of fun stuff, usually having to do with beauty. Sometimes I do a few other things in there. So today we've got the Ricky's NYC Cult Crushes. I told myself I would give this box one more chance. And so this is it. The price on this is $14. It was $11, but they upped the price this month. So I'm really hoping it's worth it because last month it was not worth it at all. I'm going to go ahead and put some information about that above. You can see my last video. I wasn't very happy with it. So let's open this up and see what we've got. And hopefully it'll be okay. I'm really concerned already. I'm a little concerned. So here's the box here. One of the things about this box that drives me nuts is all of the packaging. Okay, let's see. All right. So we have the card here. It's got some information on what is in the box right there. So I am hoping to God that this is okay. First thing we've got, I feel like I have like nothing in here. What? Oh, there's stuff underneath. First thing we have is this Bat Those Lashes Volumizing Lash Serum, Fluttering Volume. Get flirty with lush, thicker, softer lashes. This is from Smack Beauty. And I'm going to go ahead and put the prices of everything over on this side so you'll be able to see what everything goes for. We'll see how this works. I've actually never heard of Smack Beauty, so hopefully it's good. And that's one of the things about Ricky's NYC, the Cult Crushes. They use a lot of indie brands, and so you kind of get introduced to new brands through them, which is a very, very good thing because I do feel like indie brands need more time on YouTube. So this is kind of a really nice introduction. So we have that. I'm going to go ahead and put the price down below. And it says, grow your lashes and feel summertime fine with the help of this serum. Not only does it condition your lashes for a lush look, biotin helps them grow naturally. Use daily for best results. So we're going to try that out and see how that works. Next, we have the Ricky's Backstage Travel Wipes. This is actually going to be kind of nice because I am traveling again next month. I'm going to have to be packing very, very light. And so things that don't take up a lot of room in my backpack is going to be perfect. So these here, Travel Essential. These wipes remove makeup, tone, and cleanse your skin. Made with aloe, vitamin E, chamomile flower extract, and they'll keep you feeling cool even when things heat up. So that's good. Some little travel wipes there. Next we have LA Splash Wickedly Divined Liquid Lipstick. This is a very, very cool packaging. It's got fire on it and it's nice and embossed. It feels good. The color is called Death Dealer. So let's see what this color is because I don't see any indication of what the color is. Find out. Oh, this is really pretty. Look at that. It's got this like magic wand kind of thing. It's very like Disney villain without using Disney as the name. There's the wand there. It's one of those doe foots that has kind of the hole in the center. The color is very rich. Ooh, it smells a little bit like candy, which is kind of nice. The formula is very, very, very nice. I'm actually kind of digging it. I'm wondering if it is a, oh, that's pretty. I'm wondering if it is a budge-proof lipstick, so we're going to find out. But I do really like the packaging on this, and I can totally wear this color, so that's a plus. So far, Ricky's, you're doing okay. I'm pretty happy with that. This is, see, it says, just like your favorite summer outfit, this lipstick is light, comfortable, and sure to turn heads. Rock this tropical pop of color for a night out in the heat. I'm going to give this a few minutes to dry, though, so we'll see. So next one we have is Glamazon Beauty. This is called Blushing Beauties, and it's a blush. It says, enhance your sun-kissed complexion with a swipe or two of blush. Apply to the apples of your cheeks, swiping up towards your ear and hairline, and enjoy the long-lasting color. see what color this is because it does not say. Oh, actually it says paprika. So let's see how that looks. The packaging is really pretty and very nice. It is very, very, very pigmented in there. So I'm going to grab a brush real quick and just see how much it picks up. Oh gosh, it picks up a ton. All right. That is a lot of color. Might be just a little too much color for me, but it is something that I can blend out. So that's not bad. I'm okay with that. I'm going to check this lipstick now though. Looks like it's not exactly budge proof, so we'll see. So the last thing we have here is called, this is another one by LA Splash, and this is called Vanishing Potion. When your makeup is trying to have a staycation on your face, remove it with this miracle product. Aloe and vitamin C leaves your skin feeling smooth and hydrated after. Oh, okay. That's actually a pretty cool package there. And it's a kind of a serum. It feels kind of oily, which, you know, you kind of expect makeup removers to have a little bit of oil to them. I really enjoy getting to know new brands, especially these indie brands. It's hard for me to not compare this to my BoxyCharm, and I'm always really happy with BoxyCharm. So I'm still not sure if I'm going to keep it. Let me know in the comments if you think I should keep this box, and let me know what you think of it. Thanks so much for joining me. Be sure to hit that subscribe and notification so you know every time I upload a new video. We'll see you again next time. Bye.